Hi everyone, this is Harmony from QSTECH. Today I'm very glad to introduce our 2025 AI SLE Shenzhen exhibition booth for you. So you can see this one is our smart showroom solution we use is our F27P 1.2 series. It adopts 3-in-1 high integrated technology to make our cabinet very thin and have a lightweight. And also we have and so it can help our installation very convenient and have a very good product stability. And this board we have shown our 3 different package technology like SMD, COB, MIP. So you can see very directly about what is their difference. This solution we display is LED poster and it can be widely used some shopping mall for advertisements. We have 72-inch, so you can see we combine 2 unit poster to one set, but you cannot see any other theme on the middle of the LED poster, so it can have a very beautiful display effect. And the next one is our LED cinema solution. We have DCI certification and also landing many cinema projects all over the world. And the next part is our outdoor product part. We show is our Wi-Fi 3 series and E series. And the Y series is mostly for the P4, P6, P10, P pitch, and the E series is for the fine outdoor P2.9 and P3.9. Both the two outdoor products, it can have a highly integrated power board, so you can see there are no any other cables on here, so it can improve our product stability, also to reduce the power consumption. This is another touch solution. What we use is radar touch. This product is our 3rd generation all-in-one, and you can see on the middle, it has a sensor. It is our radar touch. It can achieve the one-point touch and have a very quick response. Also, comparing with the traditional LED screen, our all-in-one product can make you use LED screen just like your TV in your home, and you can have a remote control to control your LED screen, and also by the radar touch, you can also touch it by your hand. Nowadays, the home cinema solution is very popular in LED industry. So according to this series, we also launched our MIP all-in-one. You can see on the 3rd generation all-in-one, we adopt the new technology MIP. It has a high refresh rate, high contrast rate, and well color gamut. So recently, we also have this display gold award. Also, our all-in-one have a built-in audio system, so it can have a very immersive sound system for our customer. This solution is our floatable all-in-one. You can see it is different with the standard all-in-one. It is very flexible on the switching. You can float it and unfloat it, also making the installation and transportation very easy and convenient. We have 2 sizes chosen of the floatable all-in-one, 110 size and 113A size with 2K resolution solution for our customer. This is our infrared touch all-in-one product. It has 162 inches. It adopts the infrared touch firm, so you can have a multi-point touch on here. That's all today. If you want to know more about us, please check our QSTECH website. See you next time.